Hey, it's Chris with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what are we doing today? Well, we're gonna have a little fun. We had done some horns for both these trucks. Now, they're air horns, and we have, my truck's gonna be a loud-ass horn, and it's a dual. And then we have horn blasters, which is two singles. And I want to put the mic up. Hopefully you'll be able to hear the difference. So let's go ahead, we're gonna do one at a time so you can kind of hear them. Let's get the mic ready. And we're going to go over to my personal truck. Now again, this is the loud ass horns dual, and go ahead and do it. Okay. I should have stand so close. Okay. All right, so let's come over here. Now we got a nice little Toyotundra, and the guest owns this. It's behind the wheel, by the way. Okay, so now again, this is going to be a horn blaster. Now these are two singles, but you can get them as a double if you like. So let's go ahead and hear that. Now, decibel-wise, they're about the same, to be honest with you. I think they're going to do their job. If someone's in front of you, they're going to move out of your way. They are definitely loud, and, you know, they're not a traditional train horn, but these are just air horns. But for an air horn, it is really good. So, what are we doing here? Oh, we're going to get a little further back? All right, what do you want to do, both? All right, let's get a little further back here. What the heck? Okay, go ahead and Toyota. Ram. Okay. Again, they both sound good. Now, if you notice, they do sound a little different. I'm a little. I hate to say, I do like the horn blasters, but to me, I think they're both quite good. And it's good to know the difference between the two. And I think it's more of a preference thing than anything else. I think they're going to do a great job. Here's someone else honking down the street. Again, if you like these, we can install them for you. Like Buddy, our master tech, who's behind the camera, he installed both of these here, and we can do that for you. We also can ship this for you. So if you say, you know what, Chris, I want this. I don't live in Florida. Can you send it to us? Yes, we can. So again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, doing a review of the horn blasters, two singles, and the dual loud ass horns. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.